Hello guys, this is Jacob Dressed Up Fair 2018 and that's ladder FDY ladder 43 or engine 43. I don't know. It's just a ladder. Yeah, so I didn't want to miss it. So I don't really pay attention to fire trucks or anything. So yeah. He just laughed. Oh, and there's an ambulance, guys. There's an ambulance.
In the what you call them, little red car?
Oh yeah, and there's fire chief. FDY chief. I don't know who that is. What? There's a whole bunch of stuff.
They must have came from an event.
Oh, they're coming. They're getting out of their vehicle.
There's a police truck there too.
It is?
Yeah, you can't see the police car.
Can you move the curtain inside the kitchen? So I could go.
Oh, for EMS. Oh my god!
Yeah, can you go?
I need to get that.
Wait.
Where's my phone at? Can you give me my phone now? What?
It's on 14. It's on 14.
Come on. I hate FaceTime.
Yeah, FaceTime.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna be right back.
Okay, guys.
Watch it!
I just spotted the EMS on scene.
Can you move the curtain?
We have FDY.
No, this way.
We have FDY rescue.
No, the other curtain.
We have FDY rescue medics, FDY
Yo,
EMS,
guys, and
our
they're getting out of
supervisor.
the. What's going on, guys?
Alright, Shaniqua, make sure you say...
Was there an engine on scene?
In case I don't have none, okay?
My God,
Because I did miss the engine.
Yep. But I got it off. What is going on? Now I wasn't going to post this video, but now I'm going to post it.
Oh, this curtain's getting away. Oh my god.
Yeah, did you just start the wash machine?
No. Everything's getting my way right now. I don't think you guys
hold
see
this
rescue medics.
Hold this.
That's... Oh my god. Something you guys don't see.
Let me look for this thing.
Oh my god. I don't think you guys...